Hey guys, it's Arne here again. I'm very excited. Finally, after a lot of research, I found this material to repair my Tyne folding canoe, and this is a roof repair material actually, as you would have guessed. They claim it's liquid rubber. Well, it definitely smells more like asphalt or bitumen, but since my boat skin is really badly deteriorated and it's flaking off and it has chips and everything, I decided to have a go at this and give it a shot. I mean, sounds good giving it a shot, but if it won't work, especially if it won't cure solid so that I can touch it without being covered in bitumen, then I don't know how am I gonna remove this. I mean, if it is bitumen, then you can remove it with petrol, but it will destroy the whole skin. So I'm very excited and cringing for the moment to find out whether this will actually cure to a rubberish surface. Definitely it looks very good, I can tell that. So yeah, if this little shine will remain on it, then I won't mind that either. Some insects are already dying in it, but by looking at it, it might be actually peeling it more off than holding it on. So I might be destroying my canoe. Oh, wish me luck.